Talk about aggravating. I keep getting these endless error messages from Verizon saying my backup is canceled, and it cancels my frickin' videos. Stop it. Taking over my phone with your data junk. I can't see where the hole is. I can't make videos. They're coming out sideways. Right there. Right into the block. Wish I could show it to you more clearly. But some nice gray sludge was coming out, and I can't make these videos the way I want to. Maybe it's because I don't have the app, even though it recognizes me. It said Corvair Wild. But maybe I have to go through the app. But the videos are going up at 90 degrees in a vertical screen instead of nice wide horizontal. What a nuisance. And then I get the stupid message from Verizon saying my backup has been canceled, even though I just turned it off. These phones are way too complicated, and they're fighting with each other, contradicting information. I'm filling up the block from the block drain. I've got my rubber garden hose tip aimed right into the block. And there should be antifreeze or sludge coming up out of the filler until I get another stupid Verizon message telling me my backup has been canceled. And it stops my video, which is posting at 90 degrees. There we go. Alright, take the garden hose away, and what's coming out? There! That's supposed to happen. Nice clear water. That was amazing. That was coming out gray, and it wouldn't even come out. It was totally blocked. Oh, now I'm getting messages that my phone is getting hot. It's not. I have it in my hand. It's not in the sun. Oh, these devices are such junk. New problem with stupid phones. Your phone is turning off. Don't turn it off. The backup is canceled. Don't cancel your backup. Well, I can only drain it from one hole in the bottom of the block. So I'm going to post this video before the phone just turns off by itself. I'm sorry the video is sideways. I just can't control